Historia today, tomorrow, and always. Delivering stories created by truth. This is Leonila R. Saldevilla, and you are watching Historia de Nacional. Good day, Bacolod, and here is your Historia. As NU Bacolod once again opens its doors for its second day of College and SHS Week, a variety of fun activities, events, and performances are at the tip of your fingertips, awaiting to be seen and explored by each and everyone. How is your experience here on NU Bacolod so far?
So far, our experience here in NU Bacolod, it was fun. It was so amazing. Naka-amaze kasi hindi mo mag-good so far.
Okay, actually, first time ko this NU and i-rate ko 1 to 10, like na-enjoy ko kasi like, what, if 1 to 10, ang na-enjoy ko is like 8.5 because ang basking to nila, gina, is actually like enjoyable, like na-enjoy ko to sa music. Hello, Ramsel!
My experience here at NU, I think the environment is really amazing and the students are really, really nice. And I really enjoyed a lot.
So far, so good man. Damo, mga tao, kakayko, mga lain-lain nga skilahan, kag nami ang ambience, libot, approachable sa tagnang.
Actually, gina-explore ko tong mga booth, kagang nakita ko nga cool so far is actually yung mga action figures like ang Gundam and ang video games nga Tekken at which one try ko. So mabalik ka din February 6. Pero subong ako mga friends subong ma-explore to na mo ng ano. Ato ang escape room. Yeah, escape room.
So, how was your how was your experience? So, how was your experience here at NU Bacolod so far?
Great. You know, it's my first day here, and so far so good. And you know, we're the pioneer batch of the dropout.
So far, since we've been invited to this forum of BS Accountancy here in NU, first is we're happy nga nangin-involve kami sa sining occasion sa inyong school, which is a privilege man on our part for being here since your school is one of the most known school in whole country, and also being here in NU made us new experience man to be with you or other students outside our campus man.
So first of all, nami ang pagplastar nila sa NU. Dili mo una rin sa NU, pero wayog expect nga mo na kadamong students sa po.
Na-excited kami pagkadto din namon kay tungod kadamo sa inyong mga booth and great experience. Also, ng mga friendly ang mga tao sa NU. Nang sadya kang new experience para sa ako. Ang approachable sila and kapang interactive.
And that ends today here at NU Bacolod. We still have 3 more days before the end of our college and SHS week. So what are you waiting for? Come here and visit us at NU Bacolod. We're hoping to see you there.